Good morning, 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 morning. Emma, today I'm going to talk about the question that you asked me in Discord, alright? Morning, Edward. Morning, Kimberly. Let me do in. Morning, Corey. Morning, MSO. Morning, City. Morning, Ted. SG, Halida. Join the stream in YouTube, alright? Join the stream in YouTube. Morning, guys. Guys, if you guys are in Discord, join my stream in YouTube, alright? Please join my stream in YouTube, alright? Alright. A very good morning to everyone. Today is Friday, the 6th of April. Welcome back to Potato, Rice, and Trade, where I plan my trade every single morning on weekdays. So you can understand like how I plan my days, how I all the planning. First and foremost, Guys, if you guys are in Discord, please join me on YouTube. Please join me on YouTube. We have Discord. I can't play music, so it's gonna be boring. It's gonna be boring in Discord. All right. Please join me in YouTube. All right. Morning Edward, morning Shark, morning Double Leaf, morning NCH Trade, morning Mi Hong. Alright, guys, join me in YouTube where we're gonna live stream how I plan my trade. Alright, first and foremost, I think Edward is here. I think Edward asked me like what's the difference between GTC, FOK, and etc. Alright, so basically, okay, let me just open an account and show you what is GTC and stuff. Alright, so basically in your BingX, we have this GTC, IOC, and FOK. All right. So if you want to know what is all this, you can just like Google BingX GTC. All right. You can just Google BingX GTC IOC. Is it? Yeah. Right. So you can just like search through all these terms. Like what's the meaning of GTC, IOC, and FOK? All right. Basically GTC is good to cancel. So example. Let me just put an example. Let's say at this point, let's say yesterday night, we are at 62,000. The lowest point here is like 62,756.9. All right. So this is the point. So this is the lowest. All right. Example, this is the lowest. Can I just do like lowest? No, cannot. Okay, sorry. Let's say this is the lowest. All right. Right. This is the lowest. So if your limit is 62, 7, 8, 4.6. All right, just literally like that. All right. 62,756. All right, like this. So basically like this. Let's say your entry price is 62,756.9. Let's say you would like to long one Bitcoin at this price. So what is good to cancel means they're gonna put one BTC limit at this price. So it depends on whether it's you first or other player first. So whoever limit first is gonna queue up. So you can see here right now we have like let's see. Let me just put it like let's say here 64,326. This area we have like 28. Oh, damn it. It's too fast. Let's say this price point 64,270. We have like 48, 49, 50. A lot of people will put more limit here, will probably put more limit or remove their limit at this price point. So you might be the first one or you might be the last one. So if you put one BTC, so at that point, if let's say the queue is like 100 people, you are the 100, then at this point, they don't have enough limit order to fill your one BTC, then probably you will just fill partially. As in, you might just fill at 0.5, 0.6 only. Then the rest will be unfilled. This is GTC. So I think let me just put in this point. Let's say you put like 63,270. You put one BTC, all right? So at this point, the limit order book have like 62,270, let's say one BTC is by Edward. But in front of Edward, there is a lot of people already queuing. Let's say there's one BTC from Potato, then they have a 10 BTC from example ABC, etc. All right. So when the price hit 63,270, it will fill mine first because I'm the one who limit first. It will fill 10 BTC of mine first. Then after that, 1 BTC of potato. So when you are at the last, you might not be able to fill everything if the order book is not enough. It's not enough. So this will always happen if you are playing other coin, or maybe ETH or other small coin, and especially you are trying to catch the needle. Means there's not enough liquidity in the order book for you to fill your order. This is good to cancel. So if you feel like probably if you place 1 BTC, you feel probably like 0.5, 0.6, when it's filled up and there's not enough order book balance for you to fill up, then it will go up, then you will feel like partially filled. And that's the reason partially filled. Alright, partially filled. So this is GTC. Good to cancel. Fill until it cancel. Alright, so let's say the order book only have 0.5, you will partially fill 0.5 and the rest of 0.5 will not be filled. Right? So that has like immediately, what's it called already? Immediate or cancel. Okay? Immediate or cancel means what? Immediate or cancel means if let's say you place the order, it's either filled immediately or at better price, otherwise it will cancel. So as means that 63,270, if let's say you put a long order, it's either filled immediately 1 BTC at this order or at a better price. If let's say the Bitcoin price go up, then you will cancel this order. Fill or kill is the same. Fill or kill is like if it's either fill 1 BTC or don't fill at all. Don't limit at all. That's the difference between GTC, IOC, and FOK. Alright. I hope I answer your question. So basically, usually we will just use GTC. We'll just use GTC. So if you cannot fill finish, means at least I have some in my order. At least we have some in my order. Alright. Got it? So if up then down back, we will still feel yes. If GTC, if it go up, then come down again at this price, it will fill up again. Alright. I hope I clear your questions that confuse you. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Yep. Alright. Let's back to the trade, man. So yesterday night on my Chinese live, I actually mentioned that you have to long this point. You have to long at this point. And it go up until 65. I put a green box here. This is a resistance. I took profit at 64,800. I didn't take profit at the highest point. I took profit at 64,800. 800, I think 800, around here. Right. And then it shot up a needle and then go back down again. So I should actually open a shot over here, but it's 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm still sleeping. It took this liquidity. See, exactly took the liquidity and come down. So usually this is a very good short position. But this is a very short-term shot, alright? Alright. So yeah, basically this is how I play. Alright, Probably you put like 0.4, 0.5%. Alright. So if I notice, then I will place this trade. Alright, That is, you see, there's a retest. Indeed there's a retest. Alright. From the top to bottom, there's a retest at 0.5. Alright, 0.5. Yeah, but wherever is it, I'm still sleeping at that time, so it means I didn't manage to enter this position. So just give up, and then yeah, exactly right now. Now can enter again 268. 268. What do you mean by 268? You mean the long order or the short order? Right now, right. Just plan for longs. Alright, plan for longs. This up, we do have a lot of order. We can see like 1 point. Wow, that is a lot of long orders. So how I see there's a lot of long orders, you can see like a lot of people longing along the way, like all the way from the price going up, a lot of people opening up their position to long. All right, you can see open interests are increasing, CBD are increasing, means a lot of people opening their long position over here. So this is an area where a lot of people opening their long. This is one thing. And then up until here, you have a lot of liquidation. So you can see open interest drop. So this doesn't really matter. But at this point, you see, at this point at the top, you can see a lot more people long. Up to 5.6 million people long at average of 65,000. All right. So, yep, definitely there will be a retracement, and then we can long over the retracement. All right. So let me just check out like USDT pair instead of USD, because I noticed I have to check out both charts to have better accuracy. All right. You can see here. We have like 1,000 BTC being opened along here. We have yeah, pretty much, yep. So from here, if you draw down like 1% to 2%, so 1% will clear out all the 100x leverage. So if the price fall down to 63,700, then you can see a lot of long we got liquidated because of here. There's like 1.1 thousand, means 1,000 BTC long open here. So let's say from here drop 1% here, then all the long open at that price point we got liquidated, means 63,780. Right? If let's say 2%, it dropped down to 2%, you can see more liquidation. As in more people got liquidated, such as people that use 50 leverage who got all queued up here. Right? And then if let's say it goes down to here 3%, everyone using 33x you get liquidated. So we would know how far it can go. It's either liquidating 1% or 2% or 3% people, means 100x, 50x, or 25x people. So since we can't predict how much liquidation will occur, so we'll just use the most basic one. We'll just aim the Fibonacci level. 618, between 618 and 786. Just put a long order here. All right, just put a long order here. And this long right just have to aim the highest point, at least 68,000. All right, at least 68,000. I'll place a long later on here, but it will be best if you can get confirmation and get confirmation from the order book, all right, from the order book. Otherwise, if let's say if that's the case, just like put a bigger stop losses so that it won't stop hunt you before you go up. It won't stop hunt you before you go up. All right. So there might be a chance it will just like go down here, stop hunt one more time before you go up. There is a chance, but very, very little chance. Just to be honest with you, very, very little chance. Because if this is lost, 62,700 is lost, probably we will stop hunt people from here. From here. This is another liquidity. So we have two liquidity. So yes, I think this liquidity will not be taken because we have just taken previous liquidity over here. So if this low is being taken, I will actually aim lower. I will aim lower like 61,700. 61,700. All right. So I will place like 0.5% damage cost here, and it's not all, both position, right? Both positions. So if I lost probably 1% of my wallet. All right, because we don't have the advantages of the lower price, so I will just aim at lower price, and then higher price. If I got cut loss, I will just lost a bit. All right, guys, go to my YouTube, guys. Go to my YouTube, all right? Go to my YouTube, guys. For people who are in Discord, go to my YouTube, all right? Just go to my YouTube. Just go to my YouTube. Because just in YouTube you can have more sound and stuff, right? I can share my screen in Discord, but just go to my YouTube so you can have some background music and you can listen to the song that I'm listening to. All right, then I can chat more in YouTube. All right, I can chat more in YouTube. All right. Cannot see price. What do you mean by cannot see price? Oh, it's good though. What do you mean by cannot see price? Just go to HD. Oh, it's good. What's wrong with it? Oh, it's good though. All right. Zoom in your Mac. I'll get a better monitor. Can see what? Isn't it? It's always good. Oh, it's good. Oh, the price is good. Crystal clear to me. All right. So like Douglas was asking like how about last night limit? You can still limit at this price. Our limit I told you price change every single second. So I'll limit the first at 63.3, then the second at the lowest 61.7. All right, I'll limit two. All right, I'll limit these two order. Increase my resolution. My resolution is quite good already though. Not necessary. You can limit and put your cut loss, and then limit again, put your cut loss again. Doesn't really matter. It will hit both. Alright, it will hit both. So if you come down here, hit this entry, then it go down here, 62.6, then it will hit my stop loss, and then it will hit another entry here, and then another stop loss here. So the disadvantage, the consequences of having this is there might be some news, or there might be, or a black swan event. So it will just immediately hit your entry, stop loss, entry, stop loss. But in the end, you still lose 1%. 1%. And that is the beauty of wallet management. Right? That's the beauty of wallet management. Alright? Yes. It will increase your average price. It will actually average out your entry price. So if let's say you have a lower price, let's say 60,000 long, that we have been long since the beginning of the upward move. Let's say because we have a long order at 60,000. So if you open another long here, then it will average your entry to this price, probably at this 61.9. All right. So definitely it will average out. Then it depends on how you manage your order. All right. So other than sub account, there's one thing you can use called standard future. You can use standard future to open up position as well if you want to wait for it. All right. I still keeping my short. I still keeping my short at 68,000. It's 68. No, I'm not shorting at 68,000. This short I'm still keeping. The reason why I keep is who knows what will happen next. So because I'm doing live every day, I'm updating my trade, my plan every single day. So it's okay just to leave it, because you would know you might be just like one big news go up, like then another big news coming down. You won't know. So I'll still limit there. Until then, only I'll cancel if there is anything that is going against myself, then only I'll cancel the order. Alright, so this is pretty much BTC. I think I didn't explain before what is USDT perpetual margin and standard future. Alright, okay, USDT perpetual margin is basically you will average out your entry price. Let's say example, let's say I put like 0.001 at this area. So if I long, so this is my entry price. Okay, so if it go down again, I can average again. I will average again. So this is perpetual future. But in standard future, there's no limit. There is market. Market. What we call a market entry. So let's say I want to do like margin. I need to transfer some money here. Do I have bonus? Yes. And let's say like example, I'm using like demo account. Okay. Let's say I'm opening like here is, okay. I open a long. So I will have one long order. So I can open another long. Then they will have another order. If I open another long, I will have the third order. The price will not be averaged out. So you will have individual position. You just have to understand what's the purpose of it. All right, what's the purpose of it? There's no limit. There's only trigger price. Trigger price means when you hit there, it will enter. So you can just play around with it like this, And every single order you can have different leverage. Let's say right now this leverage is at 100x, like 125x. You can set every single order at different leverage. Let's say like 10x leverage, like 100. So you can have like 1,000, 100, 100, and then you have 10x leverage, 100x leverage. Every single order is individual order. All right. Yes. It's market. Yeah, it's called call trigger. Still, it's market. It's not limit. there is a difference between limit and market. Okay, call trigger is when it hit that point, it will market go in. So if let's say the liquidity is not that good, right? When it hit this point, right? Example, when it hit this point, then it will immediately go in market. So your price might be higher, especially like a big week or a great volatility. So the price can go higher. It's not that price, but let's say you limit, you put trigger at 69,500. All right, 69,500 at here. So when it touches this point, it will market go in. So your price might be higher. All right, the charge will be different as well. Yeah, it will be slightly different. So standard future have standard future chart, perpetual future have perpetual future chart, right? Right. This is basically standard future. Higher, slightly higher. All right. I hope I answered all your questions in using standard future and perpetual future, and as well as good to cancel IOC and FOMK. All right. So yeah, let me just close all this so that I remember. Close all, right? Okay, and then go to perpetual future. Close all. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Today is more on like explaining. Hey, it's good. How about Ethereum? Ethereum I still leave it at the bottom though. I'll still prefer the lower price. Probably I will move a bit at this area. So this orange box is an entry point. Basically, this orange box is an entry point. This orange box is an entry point. Yeah. So now it's just a matter how deep is the retracement. Because right now we see we are seeing a resistance over here. We actually shot at the top, we shot at the top. We partially take profit at this point. Right now we have to see whether this drop, how far the price can drop off to. So we have liquidity over here. Then we have liquidity over here. All these are liquidity. So it might just like go down and go up already. So let me just check other stuff. Yeah, there's still chance it might go down. There might be still having chance that it will go down. But the chance is very, very small. The chance of it going down to 59,000 or Ethereum go down to 2009, the chance is getting smaller and smaller. All right. The chance for Bitcoin to go down to 59,000 at this moment is getting smaller and smaller. All right. So just try your very best to long. Right. We are doing high probability game. So we are just doing high probability trade. So as I told you, the chance of Bitcoin to go back to 59,000 is very, very small. It's getting smaller and smaller. It's not very, very small. It's getting smaller and smaller. So means it might have chance not to enter or re-enter or go back to 59,000. So if you have chance to go long, just go long. Just manage your wallet, manage your damage cost, manage your losses properly, and yes. So if this go up, right? Especially if we break this resistance at 67,000, we are definitely to see where, we are definitely to see at 70,000. So from 67,000 to 70,000, there's a 10% increase, man. So that's why the long is very important. Right now, the long is very important. Just make sure you enter the long. Just make sure you enter the long, all right? Just make sure you enter the long. I hope I explained clearly. Right? So one thing that why is it so is here. If you guys have any altcoin that you would like me to check it out, just let me know in the chat so that I can help you guys check as well. So because I'm not going to talk about altcoin since my Ethereum is not filled up yet. I'm not going to talk about altcoin. Right? Basically, you can see here. Doesn't really matter. You can see here. So the moment the price go up to 64,000, you can see like there's a liquidation over here already. So there's like, you can just zoom in here, like there will be like 30 million liquidation, short liquidation, all right? So you can pretty much see like from price from here to here, how many percent of it to go, like 64,000 to 64,003. So 64,000 to 64,003. So only 1% you can see a liquidation of 30 million. So I usually don't look at small figure like that. I usually just go for at least 7 days. I wouldn't look for like 30 million or this small short liquidation because it doesn't help much. I would look at least 1 billion. 1 billion. You can see here. So if the price go up to 65,500, there will be a cumulative short liquidation, all right? There's a cumulative short liquidation of 1 billion, 1.6 billion. So by all means, right, if price go to 65,500, which is this area, 65,500, which is here, you can see 1.6 billion short will get liquidated. And all this will push up the price at least to 67,000. So upcoming will be very, very determined by whether the price can go higher or not. Whether the field can push higher to see more liquidation over here or not. You can see the highest liquidation over here, like 70,000. If the price go to 70,000, we have 5 billion short liquidated. 5 billion short liquidated if the price go back to 70,000, right? And that's a huge amount. All right? So let's say we go for 30 days, it's even higher. The price is higher, like 6 billion. All right, 6 billion. But we wouldn't know whether it will go up straight or will come back down to stop hunt first. So you see, if let's say the price go back down to 59,000, as I mentioned, 59,000, right? So let's see, like 59,000 around this area. So also there's a field of 2.4 billion. So it can actually go down first to get all the liquidity, as in just to queue off, to remove all the long at 59,000 or 59 to 60,000, all these people, only it go up. There is still a slight chance, even though the chance is, or the probability of it is low, but there is a chance that it might go in that way. That's how I see liquidation map. All right. So it might just go to, the reason why I limit like 62,000, because I see from here 62,000. So if it go down to 62,000, it will actually go up 1.77 billion, then only it will go up. That's why I limit at around 62,000, and that's how I limit. All right. This is Bitcoin. So it might go up. I'm not sure. But yeah, it might go up immediately. All right, immediately. Because going up is actually easier. As in you just have to go up just slightly, like from here to 65,600. How many percent only? From here, 65, it's only like 2% up. You wipe out a lot of people. You wipe out how many people? 60. You see, like from this price point to this price point, 65, 600. 65, 600. Yeah. You're gonna wipe out 1.7 billion. Just 2%. Just 2%. But if you go down from here to go down to 60,000, in order to wipe out 2 billion, we have to go down to 61,800. So from here, 61,800, you have to go down 3.58%. That's the reason why I limit at this area. That's the reason why I limit at these orange boxes if there is a chance. All right. So it's actually, the price is, if you compare to buy and sell, it's actually easier to push the price down than to push the price up. The reason being, it's actually easier to sell than buy. To buy, you need more, you need money, you need USDT to push the price up. But to sell, you just have to dump. Alright. Oh, that is Solana FTM long. Let's see Solana. Solana is a good long, by the way. Solana is a good long. It's a good long. No, this is good. I will definitely long at Solana. I'll definitely long at this price. Yes. Yeah, this is 618. This is a good long, man. Yeah, this is definitely a good long. You guys can limit, man. The first partial take profit point will be here. Then we can look at all the green color line is your partial take profit point. So it really depends on you how you want to place and how you want to manage this order. Yeah. Same thing, there is a high chance it can go higher to at least the orange box. So if you go up to orange boxes, you can see 1 to 7 risk and reward ratio for Solana. For SOL. Alright, this is SOL. FTM. Well, it's quite easy for SOL. It's very straightforward. FTM is another token that I'm actually looking into. So this is my final. This trend line is my final checkpoint. If you break here, I'll immediately go for long. But right now, this is hard. Slightly hard compared to SOL. SOL is pretty much very easy, very straightforward for SOL. But for FTM is not that easy. I would say it's not that easy. Yep, I'll leave it at this price. For FTM, it's a bit hard. So yeah, this is the area too long. And this is the area too long. It's not that good. Alright, it's not that good. Still good, but yeah, still you have to manage. So basically, if let's say it hit here, then it go up. When you break this, you have to add on order. You have to add more. Then to shoot at here. So this is FTM. Right. Let me check out all the This is so ugly. It is so ugly. Wait. I think better don't go for Audi. If you want to go for Audi, right? I'm going to play other one. Ah, shit, what's the name of the new Audi coming up? Shit, I don't remember. I wouldn't get into this token because the height is fading out. The height is fading out. I mean, of course you can long. Of course you can long. There's no harm longing this token. Just that compared to this, because it's slightly weaker. Just a slightly weaker. You guys can long. Definitely can long this one because of yeah. So what I'll do, this is the first area of long. Let me just put like green color, right? Let me just put green color. But this one you definitely have to put like 2 and 3, right? You have to definitely put 2 and 3. Oh. Yeah. These two are the entries. You can split into 2 and 3. Okay, maybe just from here. To be honest with you, Audi is not a very good choice. It's not a very good choice of the long. There is a lot of resistance going on. So definitely have to see like one by one. Like, like level by level, not one by one. So the first one definitely is around here. Then it's too much of resistance, guys. It's too much. It's just too much. Another one here is very hard. Audi is, to be honest, review is very hard. I'm not sure whether it can go up and do like that or not. But yes, this is an entry. Currently, there's an entry for Audi. And then just make sure you place your another entry at here, 35, around 35. Stop loss around 32. Stop loss around 32. All right. This is weird. Pepe, can you just go to this resolution? Like this resolution, just play HD. Just play HD. All right, just play HD. Okay. I can increase the resolution, but YouTube is definitely gonna limit my speed again. Limit my speed again. All right. Yeah, I see Happy Point mentioned. It's like I can see the price clearly. All right. Like dot. Let's see dot. Dot still can maintain. This is still our plan. Still our plan. Still can maintain. No worries. Still can maintain. Okay, entry 1, entry 2. Yeah, and that's it. Shiba. Let's see how. I'm not sure whether it will go down or not, but if it goes down, then we can take profit. All right, we can take profit. All right. So there's one called OM. Oh yeah, OM is good. I'm not sure when I talk about this OM. I mentioned to limit here, break here, enter again. Then your average price will be around probably here 0.66. So 0.66 from here to here, we have about like 11%. I'm not sure anyone entered this OM. If you guys entered, yeah, congratulations for that. Right? Do you have any video to guide to trade in future? Domo, what do you need? We are preparing, Domo. We are preparing. Indeed, we are preparing. We are preparing a guide. So if you guys see in Discord, we have this onboarding. We have this resource link. We are preparing all the video here. How to start, and then and how to start trading, how to get signal trade, how to do bot algo trading, and then we are coming up with strategy, mindset, and management soon. All will be free content. All right. So Domo, just wait for a while. Probably by next week, all this will be out. All right, Domo. All this will be out. I'm not sure whether you're still here or not, Domo. So if you're still here, yeah. Okay. So we will have more content related upcoming. All right, content related upcoming. So yes. Yeah, I think pretty much that's it for today. Oh, I have been live streaming for past 1 hour. All right. I think I'll we're gonna give more free content, like how to open trade, how to register, how to buy BTC, how to start future, and how to withdraw profit. And the most important thing is how to withdraw profit to your own local currency and use it. Because we strongly believe one thing: the only profit is when you spend it. The only profit is when you spend it. Right? I think pretty much that's it for today. So if you guys think this kind of content, this kind of live stream is beneficial to you, is helping you, please give a like on this video, share it out to more people, spread the word, just tell everyone. We do have a community doing live stream every single day in English, in Chinese. We have four sections of live stream every single day. No, not really every single day, every weekday. We do have 4 sessions of live stream every weekday, and then every weekday, just to keep you guys updated in the market. You guys can just check out everything here in ZRR Live. You guys can just type like ZRR Live. You can search all the live stream here. We do have live stream every single day. All right, every single day. All right. So you can check out our banner. It's all here. All the list is here. All right. So if you guys think this content is good, please like, subscribe, and share to more people. Let other people know we do have free content every single day, and then we are coming out with more videos, so for you guys to learn as well. So in crypto, you can learn through video for free, definitely for free. All this live stream video is all public. You guys can check out, and I'll see you guys on Monday, which is around 29. OM, no. OM is if you miss out, you miss out. Right? If you miss out, you miss out. Definitely not. Just search for other coin. Right? There might be chance, but have to wait. Probably you can enter at here. Right? Probably you can enter at here. I see you guys again on next Monday. Hope you guys have a great weekend ahead. It's Good Friday. So, yep, if you guys profit, flex your profit. If you guys lost, stay strong. We are here. And we trade and we win together. Alright, I see you guys next Monday. See ya. It's gonna be a good weekend. Bye.